We'll guide you through how to make a wipe transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the program is launched, create a new project and give it an appropriate name so you can easily identify it later. After the project is ready, go to the Edit page, which is where most video editing tasks are performed. Next, import the 2 video clips that you want to use into the media pool. You can do this by dragging the files into the media pool or by using the import option available in the software. After the clips have been imported successfully, drag the first video clip onto the timeline. Then, drag the second clip onto the timeline as well, placing it directly after the first clip so they play in sequence. Before adding the transition, review both clips and trim any unwanted parts. This helps ensure that only the sections you want to include in the final video are visible and that the transition occurs at the correct moment. Once the clips are prepared, open the Effects panel. Inside this panel, navigate to the Video Transitions category, which contains a variety of transition effects that can be applied between clips. From the available options, select Foreground Wipe. After locating it, drag the foreground wipe transition and place it directly between the 2 clips on the timeline. When the transition has been applied, adjust its duration as needed. A longer duration will create a slower wipe effect, while a shorter duration will make the transition happen more quickly. After setting the duration, customize the transition settings to achieve the exact effect you want. You can experiment with the available controls until the transition matches the style of your project. Once you are satisfied with the settings, return to the Edit page. Preview the video by playing it back on the timeline, and carefully check the result to make sure the wipe transition appears smooth and visually appealing. When everything looks the way you want, export the video using your preferred output settings and save the finished project to your computer for sharing or future use.